your team have done a fantastic job. There's a willingness to create roadmaps.
有好多專業嘅意見俾到我哋啦。
With some of the more recent implementations that we've done with OnePack and NetSuite, it's actually helped ease some of the stress and some of the pain that could have been brought about by COVID that certainly other companies have felt. My name is Jim. I work here at WobbleWorks, 3Doodler. We are an international manufacturer and distributor and seller of 3D printing pens. So WobbleWorks originally started just after 2010, I believe, and it was a massively successful Kickstarter project that was then picked up by many retailers around the world, primarily US. And in the 6 years since, we've turned it into sort of multi-sub-brand, multi-audience type of product, all the way from the entry models in the earlier years, all the way up to professional prosumer versions now. We currently have 2 offices. One is in New York and one is in Hong Kong. We have a pretty scattered team throughout the world. A lot of people working remote. Certainly with COVID happening in 2020, it's gotten even more so. We were very manual and very hands-on in the past, but that's also an inefficiency, certainly in my opinion. I think what Herman and Donald introduced to us in the beginning is that it doesn't have to be that way. But we started looking at it more like a project, an ongoing continuous improvement. And I would argue that both Herman and Donald gave us perspective, which we didn't have before. I think most of us agree that e-commerce needs to be as automated as it can be in order to not have to reconcile too much periodically, which we all know is a massive pain point. And I think that was probably the first thing that NetSuite could really provide. It was slowly moving away from Google Sheets, certainly myself, into obviously all the reporting resources that NetSuite can help us with. Saved searches and all of the other setups that you can do. I think that's kind of like a turnkey type of tool, you know, like it's gonna help unlock so much efficiency. We're always in the business of treating customers right. We do believe in the 0 moment of truth. So if you go back to the whole demand planning thing, having the right things in the right places at the right time is, in my book, the way we treat customers better.
我日常咧用 NetSuite 就係會查 inventory 啦，去睇翻唔同 item 嘅 inventory level 啦，提前去做一啲計劃啦。我哋而家通常同 supplier 做，可能都係有3個月個時間嘅計劃嘅。我哋會俾一個master PO 俾嗰個 vendor 去預備一啲non-lead time 物料啦，咁而去可以令到我哋後邊3個月內嘅訂單安排會順暢啲嘅，咁亦都幫助到我哋自己啦，出貨嘅安排啦，亦都好大幫助就係喺 supplier 嗰邊佢哋自己嗰個 production 嘅計劃去做一個安排咯。咁我覺得兩方面都係有得益嘅。我哋工作上面運用嘅狀況OnePack 都其實可以俾到一啲佢哋之前一啲經驗咧，去帶到落我哋公司，去希望我哋都用得更好啦，用 system。